Hello curls, it's Yolanda Renee, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick head wrap tutorial. I recently wore this wrap in a Cream of Nature announcement, and everyone was asking, how did you tie that head wrap? So I'm going to show you. So let's get started. This part is very important. Make sure you double knot this scarf because that center portion is going to be like a guide. It's going to be like the anchor for our bun that we're about to create. Another tip is to make sure that the back portion of this scarf flows with the bun. To give this a more like unpolished, effortless look, you can also bring out your edges and maybe pull out some little pieces in the back and, you know, twirl them.